If you're looking for low maintenance living in Indian Trail, this is one of those videos you want to watch. I'm August Mayer, your go-to Charlotte real estate advisor. I help people just like you buy, sell, invest, and relocate to our Charlotte region. It doesn't matter if you're 9 days away or even a year out. Below in the description is our contact information. Schedule a discovery call today and let's get started. So today you are viewing the Collin. It's a townhome at the sanctuary of Southgate in Indian Trail. The Collin features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, is approximately 1823 in square footage, 2-car garage, and is priced in the low 300s. And remember, to stay up to date on all things new construction, get access to my new construction website at www.augustmayer.com/newhomes. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment on what you think of the house, and turn on that notification bell. I post videos weekly and you'll get notified when our video hits YouTube. So the Collin has modern features. It has access to the community amenities like the pool, cabana, playground, and walking trails. And it has close access to 74 and I-485. DR Horton currently has interest rate promotions. So these are called buyer incentives. So they have a 3.875% on FHA, adjustable rate mortgage 5-to-1, and conventional at 7-to-6. 4.99% 30-year fixed for FHA, USDA, and VA. 5.50% 30-year fixed for conventional, and 5.75% 30-year fixed for the 0 down payment option. And all you need is $500 in earnest money to go under contract. And you're also going to get up to $7,500 in closing costs, blinds, fridge, washer, dryer. It's all negotiable. And don't worry, we're going to get you that blinds, the fridge, and the washer and dryer. So I want you to continue looking at this townhome. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.